we created sort of an updated version of the mobile app, which we now call Culture Suite, which is basically a web-based application. So I'll take you through those one at a time and just show you how did I think about the business problem we were facing and how did we use technology to help solve that problem. So the first of those products that we did in 2015 is something that we called eMinder. And the concept behind this was that we teach companies to create a set of behaviors that they practice in their culture, and we call these behaviors fundamentals. And my idea was, I thought, if I could find a way that I could send a message to every employee in a company and one of our customers, if I could send a message to each of them that gave them a scenario related to this week's behavior, or again, as we call them, fundamental, and have them answer, give them a scenario, give them some choices to answer, and then have them respond to that and have the response be related to the question, that would be a pretty cool thing. And so I went out to the internet and I saw, okay, well, what kind of system exists out there that maybe I could adapt to my purposes? And I couldn't find anything. And so I called Chris Miles one day and I said, Chris, here's what I'm thinking about. Is that something you guys could develop? And so we went over to Miles' office back then. This is 8 years ago. And Chris actually helped us think through, well, what would we want to do? How would it work? And he kind of mapped out, what the basic specifications were, turned that into a proposal. And within a few months, we said, okay, let's do this. And we created this particular product. It is a subscription-based product, which was very important for me because as a consulting firm, I didn't want to have to start over every year. I wanted some ongoing recurring revenue and to create this subscription. And this eMinder product was our first foray into creating a subscription product. And we had many, many clients on it, and it generated a lot of revenue for us.